Indulge me. I'm taking my life in my hands as it is. You're the only person I can trust.
You look terrible. Have you slept?
Look, Victor Marsh's plane crash was not an accident, okay? Someone on the inside had it arranged.
Inside what?
The company. He was in bed with the Iranian Revolutionary National Guard. He was brokering a deal to sabotage the peace talks.
Why would he do that?
Money, personal agenda. The guy was dirty.
And what's the evidence?
I decoded some personal correspondence that uncovered a bank account in Venezuela. He was in bed with them. He was on his way to meet them. Look, do you know what this means when someone's in the White House is in bed with the IRGC? You think I'm nuts?
It's a lot to process. That's all.